Hello and welcome to Awaken Your Inner Energy with 7 Chakra Meditation. If you've been feeling stressed, overwhelmed by strong emotions, or just like things are out of balance in your life, you're in the right place. Here, we're going to introduce you to Chakra Meditation, a special way of finding inner peace and harmony within yourself. Segment 1. Understanding the 7 Chakras. To embark on this journey of self-discovery and balance, let's first explore the magnificent world of the 7 Chakras. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. It could be a cozy corner of your room, a peaceful park, or anywhere that helps you feel at ease. Sit down in a relaxed position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor or on a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Keep your back straight but not rigid, allowing your body to be at ease. Gently close your eyes. This helps you focus inward and block out external distractions. Take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and relax your body. Inhale deeply through your nose, letting your lungs fill with air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension. Now, let's explore the wonderful world of the 7 chakras within your body. Imagine them as vibrant wheels of light, each with its unique color and significance, perfectly aligned from the base of your spine to the top of your head. Our journey begins at the root chakra, which is located at the very base of your spine. Picture it as a radiant, deep red wheel of energy, much like a spinning top. This chakra serves as your anchor, firmly connecting you to the Earth's energy. It's the foundation upon which you build your life. Imagine this vibrant red chakra radiating stability and grounding, just like the solid and unshakable roots of a mighty tree. As you visualize it, feel the reassuring presence of this chakra, knowing that it supports you in times of uncertainty and keeps you connected to the physical world around you. It's your inner source of strength and resilience, much like the unyielding trunk of a majestic oak tree standing tall and firm in the forest. Now, let's journey a bit higher, where you'll find the sacral chakra, shining with a gentle and inviting orange glow. This chakra resides in your lower abdomen, right below your navel. Imagine it as a radiant sunflower, basking in the warmth of a golden sunrise. The sacral chakra is your creative hub, where ideas bloom and passions ignite. It's like the fertile soil from which your inspirations sprout, much like a garden in full bloom. This vibrant energy center also embodies sensuality, allowing you to connect with the world through your senses, much like how you savor the taste of your favorite meal or the touch of a loved one's hand. Envision this chakra as a calming river that flows gently, representing your emotional balance. Just as a river finds its equilibrium, your sacral chakra helps you find harmony within yourself. It's like the gentle ebb and flow of this serene river, where emotions come and go, yet you remain centered and at peace. As we continue our journey upwards, we arrive at the solar plexus chakra, aglow with a radiant, golden yellow brilliance. This energetic center is positioned just above your navel, radiating warmth and vitality. Visualize it as a magnificent sun, burning brightly at the core of your being. Much like the sun provides life-giving energy to the world, your solar plexus chakra is your inner powerhouse. It fuels your self-confidence, ignites your self-esteem, and empowers you with unwavering strength to face life's challenges head-on. Imagine this chakra as a blazing sun within, warming your spirit and infusing you with the courage to conquer obstacles. It's like having a limitless reservoir of inner fortitude, allowing you to shine your light and radiate confidence in all that you do. Just as the sun's rays brighten the day, your solar plexus chakra illuminates your path, filling it with the golden glow of self-assuredness. Continuing our ascent, we arrive at a sacred space within your chest, the heart chakra. Picture it as a vibrant and lush wheel of emerald green energy, gently spinning and radiating warmth. Within the heart chakra, love, compassion, and forgiveness bloom like a beautifully tended garden. It is the very wellspring of your ability to nurture not only yourself, but also those who surround you. Imagine it as a soothing balm for the soul, bringing comfort and healing. Visualize this green chakra as a sanctuary where love and empathy flourish, much like the leaves on a tree sway in the breeze. It's a place where your heart opens wide, embracing all with kindness and understanding. Just as a garden's beauty touches all who behold it, your heart chakra's loving energy has the power to uplift and inspire those fortunate enough to share in its presence. As we ascend further, our path leads us to the throat chakra, which resides in the area of your throat. Envision this chakra as a tranquil, shimmering pool of serene blue light, as clear and pristine as a pristine lake. The throat chakra holds a vital role as your center of communication and self-expression. It's akin to a gatekeeper for the words and emotions that flow from your inner self to the outside world. Imagine it as the gateway that allows you to articulate your thoughts, feelings, and ideas with absolute clarity, much like the surface of a calm lake perfectly reflects the world around it. Visualize this serene blue chakra empowering you to find your authentic voice, enabling you to speak your truth with confidence and sincerity. Just as ripples spread across the surface of a tranquil lake, your words carry the power to resonate and create an impact, allowing your voice to flow smoothly and harmoniously, like a well-tuned melody. Now, let's shift our focus to the area between your eyebrows, where you'll find the third eye chakra. Imagine it as a mesmerizing and swirling vortex of indigo energy, like an enchanting whirlpool of light. This remarkable chakra serves as a sacred portal, offering access to your intuition, inner wisdom, and profound spiritual connections. Visualize it as a doorway to higher realms of understanding and insight, much like a secret passage that leads to hidden chambers of knowledge. Just as a guiding star illuminates the night sky, your third eye chakra acts as a beacon, lighting the path to enlightenment and awareness. It enables you to see beyond the surface, to discern the unseen, and to navigate the realms of intuition with clarity and confidence. Picture it as a source of inner guidance, like a compass that steers you toward higher understanding and deeper spiritual connections. As our journey reaches its pinnacle, we arrive at the crown chakra, positioned at the very top of your head. Visualize it as a luminous, serene violet light, casting a radiant glow like a crown, perfectly seated atop your being. This chakra is the key to connecting with the divine and the universal love that flows through all existence. Imagine it as a bridge between your earthly presence and the vast, boundless wisdom of the cosmos, much like a cosmic channel of knowledge and understanding. Picture this serene violet chakra as an expansive gate that opens your mind to the profound depths of the universe. It grants you access to the timeless truths and limitless love that exist beyond the boundaries of ordinary perception. As you connect with your crown chakra, envision it as the conduit to a higher consciousness, a place where your inner and outer worlds blend harmoniously, and where you become one with the boundless wisdom of the cosmos. Take your time to focus on each chakra, breathing in positivity and exhaling any blockages or negativity. We're grateful for your presence on this enlightening journey of chakra meditation. If you found value in this experience, we invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll stay connected with us and gain access to a wealth of tips, techniques, and wisdom to further enrich and enhance your overall well-being. Thank you for sharing in this voyage of self-discovery and inner harmony. Until we meet again, may your path be illuminated with peace, balance, and boundless energy.